So today will be a little bit of a different video, as you've seen from the title, and I do want to go and talk about Terra Luna and what's happening with the coin. And if you do not know why it is plunged, or if you just heard about it, I want to go and read through some article, share with you what's happening, and please, if you do know better than me what's happening with the Terra Luna project right now, let me know down in the comments below. Watch the video until the end. Correct me if I'm wrong, and I'm happy to do a follow-up video later tonight or tomorrow on this situation if I get anything wrong. So please let me know your thoughts on it. But we go straight on to what I want to show you now, and it is the laptop. So this is probably the weirdest day that I have been in crypto since, and you know, I've been in crypto since 2017, I would like to say. My first investment, you've probably seen it on my video, was Zeliqua, in the Zeliqua ecosystem. And then I started, you know, doing YouTube and other projects, and so I started getting into it. That's what I've seen the form of Zeliqua going to 0.25 cent all-time high to approximately 2 cents, 3 cents that it was at the time. Now, this Luna situation, it is completely feared, and it is happening because we have seen an unpegged from their stablecoin UST. Now, this is the Luna chart right now. So we can see here on the 15-minute chart, this has been what went all the way down from, this was last night. So from last night, we can see it's gone all the way down. Now it hit the rock bottom at 0.69. Don't ask me why. I don't know. 0.69 cent, and all the way up, Bitcoin was at $69,000. So I don't know. Seems weird. Number one factor. But the other thing, you know, going against what numbers and, you know, stupid numbers could be within the crypto world, a lot of people have lost money on this project, having their savings and their crypto savings in the stablecoin, which was UST, which gave you 20% off, stacking rewards on a yearly basis if you stack with the Terra ecosystem. Now, the weird thing is, and I just want to point out over here, this is not something that, you know, I'm just doing it for the record to remember also in the future. I have bought today, I had a few money in my account, and I was like, I do not want to gamble those. Now, if I had invested all of those, I would probably not be here right now, and I'd probably just be getting a private jet somewhere, because I was stupid enough and lucky enough to invest at $1.80 on the rebound. So I invested at $1.80. How much I invested? $300. I had more to invest, but at the same time, I was like, you know, this is a risky move. Just look at the price now on the screen. We went all the way up, and now we're going all the way down. Now you cannot tell me, with the USD also getting above, you know, close to heights in the past day, I don't know what is actually happening. This just looks like market manipulation. We're gonna go and look at the Terra USDT stablecoin situation. What happened? What is a, you know, peg token with the, and why did Luna crash as well as the UST? If you don't know, but this just looks weird. The first thing was the number 69 just makes weird sense to me, but we are looking at this now on the screen, and we have gone all the way up, and then there is massive sell volume. Now, I can tell you for a fact that these people are the one that bought little, like me, for example. And if you invested $10,000, as instead of me investing $300, you invest $10,000, by now you would have already had at this peak approximately $50,000. So in 1 hour, you would have gone all the way up. Now, this is complete market manipulation, and this is when the the regulation that are not into crypto comes in. We have seen all the way up now, market manipulation, price, you know, dragging the price down. By the end of the video, you will see that this is $4.50 now. This will go back up to potentially $7 that it was just a couple of minutes ago. And it's just weird. Now, of course, this is also due to the fact that Bitcoin, in my opinion, bounced back nicely from $28,000 to $29,000. Of course, I am no financial advisor. It's a very tough situation for the market. I'm no financial advisor. Do not trust me and do not follow me when I say something. Just, you know, this is just my thought on it. But in my opinion, Bitcoin bounced back very nicely to $31,000 right now. And, you know, it was at 28, it went up, and now it looks like hopefully today we're gonna see a little bit of green on the Bitcoin chart, which potentially could help all the market recover that 1-2%, in my opinion. But This is complete market manipulation cause Bitcoin is not doing this. Hell, the stable coin is doing less movement, but we see there is a pattern. When the stable coin goes up, the Terra Luna token goes up again. And I want to go and show you what also on Twitter there's a lot of things. You can just tweet Terra Luna or just put in the research filters Terra Luna and see what comes up. But there's many things. The CEO of Terra Luna also made a statement on that. You've probably seen it already online, so there's no need for me to go and take it to you. But otherwise, just go on Twitter, look for Terra Luna. The people will be the first one coming out. Many articles coming out, and the fact that this happened is scary for the crypto side of things, because there's a lot of people that never thought a stablecoin could go under peg. But what are we talking about? Well, the USD, what is it? First of all, it is what's known as an algorithmic stablecoin. It aims to carry out the function of stablecoins like Tether, which track the price of the US dollar but without any actual cash held in a reserve to back it. So what they do is, instead, USD or Terra USDT is created by destroying a sister token, which is Luna, known as Luna, using smart contract lines of code written into the blockchain. If you've got, say, $405 and you burn one Luna, you should be able to mint 405 of the USD stablecoin. Carl Alexander professed this is an article, of course. The same applies vice versa. New Luna is minted by burning USD and other algorithmic stablecoin that Terra supports. Terra's protocol features an arbitrage mechanism where investors can exploit the varying prices in each of the tokens. For example, too much demand for USD may result in its price dropping to $1. That means trader can convert $1 worth of Luna into USD and pocket the difference as profit. This is how it works. The problem is what we have gone and see now, the issues to normal market condition during periods of high volatility and one-sided buy-sell activity for USD. The above stabilizer may not be sufficient to maintain the peg in the short term, which is what happened right now in this case with the Terra Luna token. There have been multiple instances where USD has decoupled from its $1 peg, raising concerns about the availability of its economic model, particularly in a situation when several people try to redeem their token at once. The latest challenge arrived over the weekend. $100 million USD was sold on Anchor, Terra's flagship lending platform, as well as Curve and Binance, resulting in accusations of a coordinated attack on the stablecoin. This is why I'm also saying it could be potentially some market manipulation, in my opinion. And it is scary to think about it. The reserve currency, to address concerns over the sustainability of the stablecoin, Q1 plans to buy up to 10 billion worth of Bitcoin through a non-profit called Luna Foundation Guard. These funds would provide a backstop in case of a dramatic fall in value USD. Now, this one, we have seen it, went down to 28 cents. So I don't know whether they activate it or not, or it's just a simple market condition and people like me, or also you that you could be watching, we're saying, hey, it's under the dollar, I think it's time to buy. And then we hold it, we put a little bit of money, what we're able to afford to lose, we put it in and we see how it goes. Of course, if I did buy at 80 cents instead of $1.80, I would have made more money, but I'm still 2x on it. So, and I'm talking long term. I did buy Luna when it was 60, 70, $80, something like that. I had different buy options back then. So I'm still in a massive loss overall. But if, let's say if the team, in my opinion, if the team done it once, and this is probably something you don't go along with, the team done it once. They went from $0 to $100 in token of the price. So they know how to do things. They know how to do well. Now, if they come back from this problem, if they come back from this situation of complete disaster within their own token and their own landing page and their own platform, I do think that there is something more about it. Like, if they manage to come back, I am convinced that the community will back even more Luna. Now, $300 invested at $1.80. If we go to $100, I think it was, $100, we are seeing a lot of profit. Now, if that happens, I have no doubt that Luna will go even more and potentially could overtake Ethereum as the second largest crypto. Why? Ethereum is a great project, or could be second or third. Like, don't quote me on that, but I do believe we're gonna see it on the top 3. Why? Because if they manage to fix this problem, if they manage to I know a lot of people have lost their money, and I know a lot of people have, lost a lot of money, whether it was in Luna, whether it was in the stable coin or anywhere else with this crypto crash. If they manage to make the situation better, I have no doubt that more people will back this token, knowing that, hey, they went from 0 to 100, they went back to 0 because they had a massive fell off. They will go even higher than 100. I don't see why this cannot go, if they manage everything, to go to 1000, to go to 200, to go to 300, whenever, above the other all-time high that we've seen in 2022. Now, if you're watching this video later in the future. So it is for me, it was a $300 that I was able to say, okay, I'm able to lose this money, let's go. If I did put more, I would probably, as I said, be in the Bahamas right now and put it a little bit early, just 10 minutes early. I would probably already be booking my flights to the Bahamas, but I'm not. So, as you know, those $300 are money that I was able to go and be like, okay, if I lose this money, it's not a problem. I'm not putting my life savings into it. I'm not putting my crypto savings into it. I am putting what I'm able to lose. Now, if I was to sell now, yes, I'd be making, from 300 approximately 1 grand, which I'm not complaining about it. $700 made in 1 hour just for doing completely nothing, just for buying a token that went down, and I was like, hey, I might as well back it up now that it's completely down. And as every market dip, you want to go and buy when token is lower, then the people go, oh, the price is too high now of a coin. When it comes lower, nobody will buy the coin. Well, I gave it a risk. If this goes to $100, as I said, I'll happily be making 25 grand or something of this $300 investment. If it goes even higher, it goes even higher. So this is just what's happening. But what is the USDT? So what is the stable coin of the USDT? Well, we've seen here that, as we said before, it is 1-to-1 peg with the US dollar, supposed to be, but it went down all the way to 26 cents, and Terra Luna itself, which is the coin, lost. We're now at a 95% loss, as we see here, 83% loss, sorry. But we have a volume that is incredibly high, $1.1 billion in the past 24 hours, meaning sales and buys. Now, looking at the chart, if we go and zoom out a little bit, there will be more buys. I do believe we're going to have a buy that hits the biggest sell-off that we've seen over here in the past couple of minutes, past couple of hours. But you can go and read all the articles in itself where they talk more about the USDT. You can go and see Do Kwon, the CEO. You can go and see his Twitter post as well. And so yeah, there are a lot of things about this that is weird. The way that the price is just fluctuating so much, it is a market manipulation. We are looking at a crypto Terra Luna stablecoin market manipulation from who? We don't know, but we are looking at that. Bitcoin is, thankfully, at the time of recording this video, you never know, in 5 minutes, in 10 minutes time after I done with the editing and the release of the video, it could go down, it could go hit back to 25k. I don't know, we will see that in the future. You'll know if you watch this video today or a couple of days later. But I am sure if this coin managed to pull off the impossible and fix what they messed up, why we wouldn't be able to see it here? This is why I've done the stupid investment of $300 that, hey, I might be able to win, I might be able to lose. So that's completely up to the project. But the USDT and the peg, that's why the situation is so bad, because there was such a big sell-off, and there was such a big sell-off from Binance, as we've seen, from other platforms, from Anchor itself, that made the token price go completely down. Then the pegging went from no more to $1, went to 98, 97, 95, all the way to 90 cents. And that's when people started panicking, and therefore the panic sell came in. And there was nothing that the ecosystem could do at that point. But this is what the price is looking right now for the Terra Luna. Have we seen a pull down, pull up, and now another pull down? We will see, when this video is released. You'll be able to join the comments, critics. Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this project and what you think about the situation of the market now, which of course it is something completely bad. But with that said, thank you for watching. I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Like, subscribe, and let me know down in the comments if I've done any mistakes. I'm happy to make a follow-up video correcting myself. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Ciao, guys.